Guys, welcome back to Master Designs. Oink, oink. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Oolong from Dragon Ball Suit Z Kai. If you want to know, Oolong is one of the original cast members of Dragon Ball, and he helps Goku and his pals collect the Dragon Balls. And known fact about him, he's actually known as a shape-shifting pig. He can transform into different animals, like a bat and a fish. And you're not gonna believe what his first wish was for the Dragon Balls. A pair of the softest, most comfortable pair of ultra soft underwear. Pretty awesome, huh? I know it's a little bit embarrassing, but you get the point. He'll never make that wish again. Anyways, when drawing him, he's a good pal of Poir's. There we go. Next up, here's his ears. And he spends most of his time at Master Roshi's place. I always thought that Oolong was Goku's partner in crime. And I'll bet he's a fighter too. Okay, let's get started. Oink, oink. If you're with me, my enemies will never win. We will fight for love and glory. We will live to tell the story. There's nothing we can't live through. Nothing ever dies. We will rise again. Don't stop, fearing not now. Don't stop, keep your spirit proud. And ride upon the wind. There we go. There's his head. Don't stop, we're in luck now. Don't stop, there's so much to be found. We can find paradise. All we have to do is go free your soul. Dragon soul. You ask me, he looks like he's dressed like a farmer. There's his belt. Make sure to draw 2 lines here. Don't stop, we're in luck now. Don't stop, keep your spirit proud. And ride upon the wind. All we have to do is go. Don't stop, we're in luck now. Don't stop, there's so much to be found. We can't find. There we go. All we have to do is go free your soul. Don't stop, we're in luck now. Don't stop, keep your spirit proud. And ride upon the wind. All we have to do is go. Don't stop, there's his belt. We're in luck now. Don't stop, there's so much to be found. We can't find. Sorry about that. You can pause the video if you want. Almost done, folks. And there you go. That's how you draw Oolong, the shape-shifting pig. And if you want to, you can pause the video right here, and you can look back at the pictures and how to draw his snout and his ears and his clothes. Anyways, that's how you draw him. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what kind of awesome character I'll draw you guys next. See you later.